Hello, welcome to Digiprink. Meet my personal assistant. She's joining for today's tutorial. Now, let's make a personalized acrylic photo keychain using Canva. First, open Canva and choose an A4 size document. Then click on Elements and search for a rectangle frame. Add the frame, resize it, and then copy and paste it. Next, upload your photo, click on it, and drag it into the frame. Now go back to the element and search for a speech bubble. Add it to your design. Then insert the text. Once the design is finished, it's time to print. I'm using an Epson L121 printer, modified with pigment ink. After printing, carefully cut out each photo. Apply a photo top and carefully cut out each photo again. Then insert the design into the acrylic keychain. And that's it! Your personalized acrylic photo keychain is complete. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more DIY and personalized craft videos. See you in the next one. Bye!